In this episode, we're diving into investment casting, also known as lost wax casting. It's the go-to process for small, complex metal parts that need really tight precision. Take a look at these: automotive structural parts, medical device components, and larger pieces for agricultural machinery. They range from tens of grams to tens of kilograms, with complex shapes that are tough to make in one shot by conventional methods. Let's walk through how they come to life, step by step. Step 1. Wax is injected into a metal die, usually an aluminum one. Once it cools, we pull out the wax pattern, and its shape is exactly the shape of the final part. Next, we weld each wax pattern onto a central wax sprue to build what we call a wax tree. This way, we can cast multiple parts in a single pour. The wax tree gets dipped into a ceramic slurry, then coated with fine sand. After it dries, we repeat the step 5 to 8 times to build up a tough ceramic shell. The shelled wax tree goes into a steam autoclave. The heat melts the wax and drains it out, leaving a clean, hollow cavity inside the shell. Molten metal is poured into the shell, filling every corner of the cavity. As it cools, the metal solidifies into the exact shape of the part. Once cooled, we knock or vibrate the ceramic shell off, and the parts are revealed.
Heat treatment optimizes the microstructure of castings through controlled heating and cooling processes,
thereby achieving the required mechanical properties. Then use CNC machining to remove excess material and bring the parts to their final dimensional tolerances. Investment casting delivers incredible precision, details you just can't get with regular casting, like intricate internal features or sharp edges. It works with a wide range of materials, including stainless steel, aluminum, and titanium alloys. And with one wax tree, you can pour many parts at once, so it's highly efficient for batch production. That said, the tooling and process aren't cheap, so it really shines for medium to large production runs, especially small parts with complex geometry.